coordinate geometry. Now next exercise 7.2. Before going to that exercise, so here section formula we have to see here. Section formula, the coordinates of the point P, x, y. Point P here, coordinate, x coordinate, this one is the y coordinate, which divides the line segment joining the points A, x1, y1 and B, x2, y2. Internally in the ratio m1 is to m2 r. Now we'll see how the formula will get. So this one is the line segment, AB is the line segment. Now here how we got here line segment, that means joining these 2 points A and B. Point A coordinates are given x1 and y1. That means this is the x coordinate, this one is the y coordinate. Then here point B, x2, y2. First one is the x coordinate and second one is the y coordinate. Now here one point P is there. That point P, here also coordinates of point P are given, that is x and y. This point P divides the line segment AB. Divides the line segment AB in the ratio m1 is to m2. Okay, that means this point divides this line in the ratio m1 is to m2. Okay, so when this type of question comes, we have to use the section formula. How we will get the section formula? Let us see here. This is the section formula. One easy method I will tell you how to remember the formula here. First one, m1 is there. m1 into x2. m1 into x2. So you should write here m1 into x2. Then plus this side m2. m2 into first one, that is x1. Whole divided by m1 plus m2. To find the x coordinate, m1 into x2, m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1, m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 whole divided by m1 plus m2. To find x coordinate. To find y coordinate, nothing is there. Instead of x2, here we should take y2. Instead of x1, we should take y1. Remaining all same. So that also I will tell you how to take here. m1 into y2, plus m2 into y1 whole divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, if any numbers are given in suppose question, m1 that is 2, m2 is 3. So that time we have to substitute m1 is 2 and m2 is 3. Okay, to find the point P coordinates, that is to find x coordinate, this point, to find y coordinate, this point. That means point P coordinates, to find point P coordinates we have to use this section formula. Okay, now we'll see the exercise. First question. Question number 1. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2 is to 3. Find the coordinates of the point. That means here we will take point P. Coordinates of the point means we should find the x and y value. Okay. Which divides the join. Join means here joining these 2 points. Okay. Which divides the point, that point P in the ratio 2 is to 3. That means this point P divides this line in the ratio 2 is to 3. So here we should find the coordinates of this point, that is x coordinate and y coordinate. So we know that what is the section formula here. Section formula, m1 into x2 plus m2 into y1, sorry, m2 into x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Next, m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1 divided by m1 plus m2. This is the section formula. So here m1 what we should take here? This is 2. m1 is 2. Then here m2 we should take 3. Then this side, this is x1, y1. Then this one is x2, y2. Okay. Now here point P, coordinates x, y is equal to m1. What is the m1 here? 2. 2 into x2. What is the x2? 4. Then plus m2. What is m2? 3 into x1. x1 is minus 1 divided by, whole divided by m1 plus m2. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. Next, m1 into y2. m1 is 2 into y2 is minus 3. Then plus m2 is 3 into y1. What is the y1? 7. Divided by m1 plus m2. 2 plus 3. Then multiply 2 4s are 8 plus into minus, minus 3 1s are 3 divided by 2 plus 3 5. Then 2 3s are 6, so minus is there, keep minus. Then plus 3 7s are 21 divided by 5. Now this is equal to 8 minus 3, 5 divided by here this 5. Okay. Then here 21 minus, here both are opposite side. Both are opposite side. So what we should do here? You have to subtract 21 minus 6, that is 15. 21 minus 6, 15 divided by 5. 5 ones are, 5 ones are, cancel it. 5 ones are, 5 3s are. So this is equal to 1, then comma 3. That means here point P, xy, that means x coordinate, that is x is equal to 1, and y coordinate, that is y is equal to 3. Understood?